therapist, and they said I can get face reconstruction thing today. So I'll be going now. See ya after a little
So,
while.
after dinner and after you've had a bath and everything, do you want to watch Ghost Protocol?
Hi, I'm back. I got my face reconstruction. Don't I look gorgeous? Yeah, you want to kiss me, don't you? Because I'm so beautiful. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yum. Yum.